Dear student, today's student learning outcomes are operating system functions, process management, memory management, file management, I/O management, secondary storage management, network management, protection system, command interpreter. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. Now, process management. A process is a program in execution. Process management is the part of operating system that manages allocation of computer resources like CPU time to various processes in main memory. Process management actually describes the state and resource ownership of each process. Now consider an example of process management. Suppose there are three processes A, B and C ready for execution. The OS will manage the CPU time as follows. For example, for process A has CPU cycle time 5 milliseconds, process B has CPU cycle time 2 milliseconds, process C has CPU cycle time 1 millisecond. Now discuss the case 1. When the three processes become ready in the order of ABC, the total execution time will be 5 for process A, 7 for process B, because 5 plus 2 is 7. Now time required for execution of process C is 8. So 5 plus 2 plus 1, that is 8. And 5 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 3, that is 6.67 millisecond. This is the case 1 if the process execute in the order of ABC. Now case 2, when the three processes become ready in the order of BCA, the total execution time will be 2 for process B, 3 for process A, C, that is 2 plus 1, and 8 for process A, 5 plus 2 plus 1, that is 8. Now 2 plus 3 plus 8 divided by 3, that is 4.3 millisecond. In conclusion, in the above example, in case 2, the operating system will manage the processes more efficiently. The execution time in case 2 is less as compared to case 1. Now discuss memory management. Memory management is the part of operating system that controls and manages the operation of main memory during the operation of computer. It allocates space to programs that are loaded in main memory for execution. It keeps track of freed memory when a program is closed and updates some memory status. Now look at an example of memory management. In this example, the operating system is managing memory for two processes P0 and P1. P1 is being loaded, swap in, and P0 is being taken out, swap out from the main memory RAM. The whole process is shown in the given figure. Now discuss file management. File management is a part of operating system that manages file and folder on storage devices such as hard disk, USB flash drive, and DVD. It allows computer user to perform operations such as creating, copying, moving, renaming, deleting, and searching file and folders. It allows the user to perform read, write, open, and close operation on files and folders. Now discuss input-output management. I/O management is a part of operating system that controls all the input-output operation during program execution. It manages all the I/O operations of input, output, and storage devices. Efficient I/O management improves the performance of computer. Now look the example of input-output management. There are three processes A, B, and C which are using the printer. Now the OS will decide which program to use the printer first. A queue will be set by the operating system and each program will get the printer by its turn. Secondary storage management. Secondary storage management is the part of operating system that manages free space and storage allocation of user program and data on secondary storage devices such as hard disk and DVD. For example, program A is ready to be stored in hard disk. Now OS will look for any free space in the hard disk and assign proper address to it. If space is not available, OS will promote the user to empty some space. Now network management. Network management is a part of network operating system that monitors and manages the resources of a network. It allows to create user groups and assign privileges to them. It shares the network resources among users and detects and fixes network problems. Now discuss the protection system. Protection system is the part of operating system that ensures that each resource of computer is used according to the privileges given to the users by the system administrator. It creates account for each user and gives privileges to prevent misuse of the system. It provides password to all the users to maintain network security. Command interpreter. Command interpreter is the part of operating system that provides interface between user and the computer system. It is a file in operating system that reads and executes user's command enter as text through keyboard. For example, Windows operating system uses the command.exe file as command interpreter. Okay dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.